All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about shortcuts. So what we're going to do first is let's go over to shortcuts. And it's going to give you kind of a little blurb here. Add your first shortcut. So click the ... icon in the top right corner of a note or notebook to add it here. So if we click right here, okay, we can add it to shortcuts. So you're going to see right away, untitled, right? Now, the way to delete it is you just click on this X right here, and that will unshortcut it, okay? So if I go to All Notes, and let's say that we want to add our reflection, right? So let's add shortcuts, and add this one to shortcuts. Okay, now I have, and you can drag and drop them, so you can put them in whatever order you want. What I would do is I'd put the newer one on top. That way it's ascending, and basically when you are looking at it, you're like, oh, what's the latest one I did, right? What's my latest daily reflection? Okay, the 14th, which hasn't even happened yet. That's tomorrow. But this is a way where you can set up shortcuts so you can easily find stuff, okay? Now, the other thing you can do, and I haven't talked about notebooks, but what we're going to do is we're going to add this notebook with a shortcut. So we're going to click on the three dots, and then we're going to add to shortcuts, okay? So now, when I go to shortcuts, okay, when I open this up, I can go to my notebook, I can go to daily reflections, and I can go to daily reflections 214, okay? So you can see this is a notebook right here. So we have 11 notes. But basically, you can favorite or shortcut your notebook, any notebook you want. And if you had, let's say that you had 6 different notebooks, that's the way to do it, is to shortcut notebooks instead of notes, because inside of the notebook, your notes will be there. Now, if you don't want to do that, here's what you can do also. If there's a specific note that you always want to have access to, you could do My Notebook and then put a file here right below it, and then have another notebook right here so that you can tell, okay, I got one notebook and then this is a note inside that notebook. That's one way to kind of separate it out. You can do it however you want. But again, I'm just saying that because you want to be able to find it as easily as possible. That's the biggest takeaway that you should have from this whole thing that I'm talking about, is you want to make it as easy as possible. So the easier you can make it, the better it is, okay? So that is shortcuts. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.